In this video, we present OutlineSpark, an interactive and AI-powered Jupyter Lab plugin designed to facilitate the creation of presentation slides from computational notebooks using outlines. To facilitate the outline writing process, OutlineSpark provides a visual summary of the notebook by relevant keywords and recommends topics based on the notebook content. Upon receiving the outline, the tool automatically retrieves relevant notebook cells based on the outline and converts them into slide content. The tool also provides intuitive interactions that allow users to further refine and customize the generated slides. Suppose Andy is a data analyst working at a real estate company. His manager tasks him with analyzing a house dataset in order to predict house prices. After completing the analysis using Jupyter Notebook, he wants to create slides to report the analysis results to the manager. Andy opens the notebook in Jupyter Lab and activates OutlineSpark. Then, he puts the two windows side by side. Next, he has a quick recall of what has been analyzed by browsing the keywords summarized from notebook cells in Notebook Overview. When Andy hovers over the cards, each representing a cell in the notebook, a tooltip appears, providing additional details about the corresponding cell, such as code snippets and the cell's output. Then, Andy proceeds to draft an outline using the Outline panel. He first drafts an outline with 3 topics: data introduction, data cleaning, and findings. Then he plans to illustrate the topic, data cleaning, with more subtopics, such as finding important features, removing outliers, and scaling. After that, he would like to check if he missed some critical content. By focusing on the last subtopic and pressing the spacebar, he gets some recommended topics and finally selecting features, which he thinks complements the current content. Following the above practice, he specifies the subtopics for each topic. Gradually, an outline forms for generating the slides. Next, he clicks the Generate button. For each topic and subtopic at the lowest level of the outline, OutlineSpark generates a corresponding slide and renders it in the Slides panel. After browsing each slide, he finds most slides present the information he intends to convey. However, Andy notices that the slide corresponding to the Removing Outliers lacks some related charts. He vaguely remembers noticing 3 relevant charts while scanning through the notebook in the beginning. To check this, Andy clicks on the slide in the Slides panel. Upon the action, the Slides panel highlights the card that represents the slide with a blue left border, while the Outline panel highlights the corresponding outline item with a blue background. Simultaneously, Notebook Overview automatically scrolls to the first cell used to generate this slide. Additionally, in Notebook Overview, the cards that represent the cells selected and retrieved for generating the slide are highlighted by pink dots at the left and pink bars at the top, respectively. The width of a pink bar indicates the relevance of a cell to the outline item. By examining these cells and cells nearby, Andy identifies a cell that displays a scatter plot. After reviewing the cell by the tooltip, he selects it and clicks on Update. Within moments, the content of the slide is updated with a new bullet point and a scatter plot. Next, Andy decides to have a final review of the structure of his presentation. He finds that selecting features immediately after finding important features would be more appropriate. Thus, he adjusts their orders by dragging and dropping. Andy then clicks on the Update button, prompting OutlineSpark to reorder the slides to align with the revised outline. Furthermore, he notices that he has forgotten to discuss the performance of the models in his outline. As he already knows where the relevant cells are, he directly clicks the Plus AI Slide button and scrolls in Notebook Overview. With a simple click, OutlineSpark automatically scrolls down the notebook window to the actual cell, enabling Andy to view the detailed code. He then selects the cell and clicks the Generate button, and within a second, a slide with a generated title, bullet points, and chart is rendered on the Slides panel. However, the title doesn't fit his style, so he renamed it. Now he is satisfied with the structure and content of the slides, and moves on to prepare for his upcoming meeting. To evaluate OutlineSpark, we conducted a user study with 12 participants. Here are some outlines and slides created by our participants. The results demonstrate that OutlineSpark could help participants effectively create desired slides with less effort, and participants highly praised the process of creating slides simply by outlines. For more details, please see our paper.